Sea oats are at the forefront of shoreline protection. The plant's massive root system can hold soil and sand during extreme weather conditions like hurricanes and tropical storms. They build dunes by capturing wind-blown sand, making coastal areas resilient to storms and sea level rises. The scientific name is also so cool, Uniola panicula, and they are so important.
Waterkeepers Bahamas has partnered with Island Girl Projects and the Bahamas National Trust for its beach dune restoration project. Our teams are transplanting sea oats at the Gold Rock Beach, where the beach dune was destroyed during the passage of Hurricane Dorian.
Sea oats are being harvested and transplanted to help revitalize and rebuild the damaged coastline. Hardworking volunteers, including our very own cadets, our youth environmental ambassadors, and students from the University of the Bahamas North have already spent many hours harvesting and transplanting sea oats to the impacted area.
Student involvement is at the center of this endeavor, as our organizations are developing citizen science-based projects to get young people more involved in protecting the environment and impacting their communities.
While they can be found on many islands of the Bahamas, sea oats are also found along the eastern seaboard of the United States and coastlines along the entire Caribbean region, Central and South America. We found out that sea oats are protected in some parts of the United States due to their vital role in shoreline stabilization. These plants are great, and the Bahamas protects them too.
More than 200 sea oats plugs, ranging from 2 to 4 inches, were retrieved from the harvesting site, accounting for just over 900 square feet of area from the harvested colony. These plugs have been successfully planted over approximately 2,500 square feet on Gold Rock Beach. They have been sparsely planted so that their root system will expand as they grow to cover a wider area.
This project focused on planting sea oats that would build back our coastal dunes, along with removing invasive trees that deplete and erode our dunes. This removal effort has resulted in the safe extraction of 371 juvenile Australian pine, commonly called casuarina trees, which is an invasive species to our Bahamian terrestrial ecosystems. While we have focused on the sea oats, our partnership with the BNT has allowed them to cultivate other complementary plants like bay geranium and the morning glory vine.
The sea oats are salt tolerant and can tolerate periods of salt intrusion. They will be able to handle drought, and those conditions will not impact their growth.
Gold Rock Beach's protection against coastal erosion looks favorable because of this dune building plant and the other complementary plants. The project seeks to establish a manual for sea oat-based beach restoration, which can be used throughout the Bahamas by community-based organizations and the government.
Support from our donors and other partners allows us to continue with this and other projects as a part of our mission to advocate for swimmable, fishable, and drinkable waters for future generations.
This vital project is supported by the Global Environment Facility Small Grants Program, implemented by the United Nations Development Program, and the Blue Economy Grant by the Bahamas Development Bank.